How you doing? So I've been all in on the Amazfit lineup and ecosystem for quite some time now. HYROX 3, HELIO ring, and now since the HYROX World Championships, the HELIO strap. Today we're quickly going to have a look at it in the Zepp app and look at the settings that are available for it. So let's go over here into the Zepp app. Along the top we have the devices that you have connected: HELIO strap, HELIO ring, HYROX 3, and you can click into each one and adjust the settings. Today, as I mentioned, we're going to look at the HELIO strap. So very straightforward. At the top we have the charge status, then we have the health monitor, and here's where you tell it what you want it to monitor. High heart rate at the top, so if you have a high heart rate it will give you a notification, and it notifies you just by a little buzz on the wrist. Low heart rate, same as high heart rate. Heart rate push, so all that this is you can connect a chest strap or another Bluetooth device directly to the HELIO strap, and it allows it to obtain the heart rate and pull the heart rate from there. Assisted sleep monitoring, as it says, this just enables a more accurate sleep monitoring. And then sleep breathing, device detected sleep will automatically record your breathing conditions, and then it tells you whether you're at risk from erratic or regular breathing conditions such as hypopnea, that sort of stuff. Auto stress monitor, monitor stress levels, and then stress relief notification. It'll give you a notification if your stress levels remain above a certain score within a quiet environment. And then blood oxygen monitor as well. If we turn that on, it'll tell us what it is. Low blood oxygen alerts, and again it will just give you some feedback in your wrist. Next we've got workout detection. So if you just turn this on, it will just detect that you have elevated heart rate, so it'll ask you if you're doing a specific type of workout. Alarm, this is quite cool. You can just set a sleep schedule on there, so when you want to be woken up on which day, and when that alarm goes off, again it'll just buzz on your wrist and you double tap the top to stop it. So that's quite cool function. Find device. At the moment, I don't know if you can hear this. It's vibrating, but you can see on the screen that it's vibrating. Let's see what happens if you put it on a surface. So that's on a wooden surface at the moment, you can hear that. Then we have update, current version is okay. About this device, it'll just give you MAC and serial numbers and Bluetooth address. Behavior tagging, what you can do here, it's not recognizing the type of workout that you're doing, you can almost coach it to show it what type of workout that you're doing. And then at the bottom we've got the product user device, so you could just go into select your language, and then finally you can deactivate or unpair the device. Because I have all three devices, it actually merges all the data from all, so I've not had this long enough yet to tell whether or not it's actually making a difference to the information that I was receiving. By the way, you will be able to eventually get different straps for these. So that's the HELIO strap. If you have any comments or any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. Likewise for the HELIO ring, if you want me to talk about that, or the HYROX 3, if you want me to talk about that, again, just let me know and I can do some reviews on that for you as well. Have a great day wherever you're doing. Take care.